What if you could earn money while sleeping? Imagine waking up to your PayPal balance increasing, leads being captured, content being posted, all done without lifting a finger. In 2025, AI isn't just smart, it's your full-time employee. So in today's video, I'll reveal 5 powerful AI tools that literally do the work for you, helping you generate passive income automatically. Stick around. Number 4 is something even I didn't believe until I tried it. This video isn't about theory, it's about tools that automate your income. Whether you're a freelancer, student, or stay-at-home parent, these AI tools save you time and earn for you while you sleep. If freedom and automation excite you, let's dive in. Meet Durable AI, the AI that builds your business website in 30 seconds. Whether you're a coach, freelancer, or dropshipper, this tool builds your entire website, complete with images, copy, and contact forms. Just describe your business and Durable handles the rest. It even writes blog posts and manages email automation. Perfect for client funnels or passive leads while you sleep. If you're a podcaster, coach, or course creator, Castmagic is your content repurposing engine. Upload any audio file, and it automatically creates blog posts, YouTube descriptions, tweets, LinkedIn posts, email newsletters, all from a single upload. It's a massive time saver, especially when paired with schedulers like Buffer. Pro tip: use Buffer or Metrical to auto-post content while you sleep. Want to earn through blogging or affiliate marketing? Koala Writer uses GPT-4+ real-time Google data to create high-ranking SEO blog posts. It even auto-inserts Amazon affiliate links and royalty-free images. One click and your money blog is live. No ChatGPT prompt engineering needed, it's built for results. Long-form creators, meet Opus Clip. It takes your full video and turns it into TikTok-style shorts, complete with captions, emojis, jump cuts, and hooks. This means more growth on autopilot, no editing skills required. Perfect for repurposing long podcasts, interviews, or tutorials. Time is your most valuable currency, and Reclaim.ai makes sure you spend it right. It automatically schedules your tasks, client work, and deep focus sessions around what makes you money. No more burnout or decision fatigue. It's like having an executive assistant in your calendar. Here's the real secret: stack these tools like a system. Imagine this. Durable hosts your site. Koala builds your content. Castmagic fills it with audio repurposing. Opus drives traffic. And Reclaim keeps you focused. This is real automation. Build once, earn forever. In 2025, working smart beats working hard. These AI tools aren't just smart, they're your team. So which one are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI income hacks, make sure to like and subscribe, because the next tool might just replace your full-time job.